Hey YouTube family, this is a rarity where I actually come out of character, but it would not be appropriate to do that for this video. Almost 3 weeks ago there was a motorcycle wreck practically in front of my house. I was up late after midnight and I heard a sound like a tire spinning, and there is a ditch that runs along the county road out front, and sometimes cars get stuck in there and they spin their tires to get out, and it sounded like a tire spinning once or twice, so I ignored it. And a little while later I saw emergency lights bouncing off of my shades, so I went out to see what was going on. And what had happened was, my one neighbor is a member of a club, and he was leading the way on his bike. There was a bike behind him with a female passenger, male driver, and a friend of theirs in a pickup behind them, driven by a younger girl with a passenger or two. Now my friend was leading the way so they could get to his house because they didn't know where they were going. And he told me he had the blinker on for almost quarter of a mile, so they knew he was going to make the turn. He executed the right turn into his driveway. The bike behind him slowed down to make the turn, and the girl was not paying attention in the pickup truck and plowed right into the bike in front of them. I wasn't going to post a video until I found out that everyone was okay. Believe it or not, the passenger had no broken bones. The driver had a fractured skull above his eye, but they're all out of the hospital and doing well. He'll be out of work for a month, but thank God nothing happened. So as humbly as I can post this and put it together in a way that is not self-serving, I'm posting this as a cautionary tale as to what can happen at any given moment. So here's the video.
Yeah, he was forced enough to get me. Or it could have been just one of us who thought we needed to do.
That's America. America took footage.
I can tell you now it's dead, that's me.
All those things.
I didn't know it was a woman. And I said, oh God.
Yeah, they better watch. I'm giving it back to watch.
Oh yeah, totally.
here and just let them know you have it, or you go up. It's totally up to you.